Hi, my name is Mansoor. So I'm a sales manager for this Swamitva Rutopia.
Okay.
So this is our project which comes with a total land parcel of 48 acres.
Okay.
And we have here actually for this in phase 2. Currently we are in phase 2. We have come up with the 2 phases, which is phase 1 is 20 acre.
Okay.
And phase 2 comes with a 28 acre.
28 acre.
Currently
Okay.
we are standing at the place of this amenities part will come here.
Okay. Okay.
So this part is here.
Uh-huh.
So let's introduce my brand actually. As a brand Swamitva, we are in the market from past 44 years.
Mhm.
And we have completed almost like 70 plus projects.
74
70
projects.
plus projects we have completed.
Okay.
And 6.7 million square feet we have already delivered. So
Okay.
it means we have given the position, everything to the customers.
Okay.
So we have currently we are carrying for like 11,000 plus. Actually we have mentioned this is 1 year old actually.
1 year old.
So we have currently 11,000 plus happy customers we have as a brand Swamitva. And we are here with us. This is the first branded farmland we have made. So the concept is actually for the Bangalore, those will be working in a rush, hurry, burry, and so noise, pollution. So the whole idea of this concept is if customer is buying a second home, so at least they can spend their weekend gateway, Airbnb option, with they can connect with the nature actually. So we know how the village life we have spent it, but in our kids, our generation doesn't know what's the village life. So exact concept will be giving. Please come here. I'll show you what is the amenities we'll be providing.
Okay.
Like as I said, like with a modern touch and as well as village touch feel. So now kids cannot see the bullock cart. Example, in a Bangalore there is nobody has seen like as a kid. Bullock cart is not there.
That's right.
So we are coming with the bullock cart rides here, and if it is like new style of the era, like open gym, outdoor, indoor games, swimming pool, amphitheater, play courts, all these things will come. But apart from that, we'll be coming up pottery option also.
Okay.
So in this project, we have come up with like more than like 20 plus plantations here.
Okay.
So we have come up with like sandalwood trees, mahogany trees.
Okay.
And as well as pomegranate as a fruit bearings like jackfruit, coconut trees, and guava trees, jackfruit, all these things. Mixture.
So all these plantations are managed by whom? By Samvita?
Currently we are managing, but after the sale, after the registration, because most of the customer will think, if I am buying the plot, who will manage? So definitely we are also not like from the background of farmers, because we are the builders. To be honest, we are the builders. But after the registration, everything, customer has to manage from them itself.
Okay.
But we'll be helping. We are not going to manage the farmland.
Okay.
We'll be managing only like common area.
Understood.
Like clubhouse, swimming pool,
Okay.
roads and sanitary work, everything.
Okay.
So apart from that, the particularly crops and the farmhouse, everything, we have a like local villagers from here. So we'll help them to hire them. And you can connect with them and you can pay a small amount of salary as like a 5,000, 6,000, whatever it will.
It's a monthly salary for
Monthly
managing.
salary.
So basically, the local villagers can help us to manage,
Definitely.
and we can pay
and
them.
They are expert in plantation. They are expert in farming.
Okay.
So instead of the builder will manage the farmland, it's better to at least the specialist has to manage.
That's right. So do we have sufficient number of people who can help us?
Yes, definitely. Because from my project too, you can see the tank head over there. So that is village name called Mavattur.
Okay, Mavattur village.
Yes.
Okay.
And from this is the east facing. So if you see the west facing, the area name called Chiksagare. Behind this property, the area name called the village name called Chiksagare.
Chiksagare. Okay.
Yes. So the most of them, like 99%, they are farmers only. So even if somebody is hiring for like managing and all, it will be a help for them also.
That's right.
So they can even manage for their the plantation, everything, and they are looking for this additional income also for the farmers.
That's right.
So that is the whole idea. So we have come up with a total land parcel of 48 acres, as I said. So we have a total unit of 148 units in phase 1 and phase 2.
148
units.
Okay.
And the range starts from 6,000 square feet, we can say, but we have only selected units because so far we have completed almost all 57% of the project has been sold
Okay, okay.
in span of 7 months.
Oh, that's great. Okay.
So in span of 7 months, we have almost all sold 56 to 57% of the project.
Understood.
So we have
Okay.
6,000 square feet, very few plots, which is north facing and east facing again. Apart from that, we have 7,000 square feet, 8,000 square feet, and it goes up to 1 acre.
Mm-hmm.
And if we talk about this, what is the current infrastructure we have made? So we have come up with, you can have a look, the road. Because of this farmland, the road will not come with a tar and cement. Because of the village feel, as per the government rules of the green land, it should be a mud road.
Okay.
So we have completed almost all 3 layers, 2 layers still pending.
Understood.
So after that, again before the position, this road will be coming up one more tapping, and you can see this drainage system, and you can have a look the water drip irrigation. Drip irrigation.
Okay. We also have a drip irrigation over
Yes,
here.
exactly.
So is it spread all across the farm?
Exactly. Each and every plot will get the drip irrigation facility.
Okay.
And we have already come up with the electric poles, everything.
Okay.
And apart from this, all the amenities. One more unique option we have, unique amenities we can say, that is Gaushala. Nowadays, we are taking the milks, all those things from the dairy and all. Again, it's the pasteurized milk, toned milk, all these things.
That's right.
But naturally, nobody will get in city, Bangalore city.
Pure organic milk you will
Organic
get.
milk you will get.
Uh-huh.
So we are planning for this in almost 7,000 to 8,000 square feet.
Okay.
We are planning a Gaushala also.
Okay. So it is under planning, under construction phase.
So
Okay.
we'll start after this, because of this Diwali festival, Dasara festival. The completely infrastructure team is not available.
Okay.
So
Okay.
once they come back, so we'll start. So might be it'll after 10th of November or 15th November we'll start the construction.
Okay.
So you can see the plantation here.
Uh-huh.
So we have this is arecanut trees completely.
Okay.
If those who are big customer will be buying for this,
Uh-huh.
so they'll get the monthly yearly income.
Uh-huh.
It's like a instant income.
Okay.
Returns will get.
Understood.
And if customer is buying like sandalwood, teak wood, all these things,
Uh-huh.
this is the teak wood, mahogany and all.
Okay.
So this is the currently of the stage of 4 years, 5 years plantation.
Okay. This is teak wood and this is mahogany.
Mahogany.
Okay.
Correct. So after a 10 years or 15 years, if inside the plot this plantation is there, they can harvest whatever the income will get.
Okay.
That's completely goes to the customer only.
Understood.
Those
okay,
will be buying the
So
plot.
basically ownership of the entire plantation will
Yes, will be
with the
buyer,
customers.
will be the ownership.
Okay.
So apart from this, we have a complete sandalwood forest over there.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the clubhouse area which comes with a 2 acre of land parcel. Only we have made. And this is the Gaushala board we have.
Okay.
But we are constructing behind the banana trees.
Okay. So Gaushala is under
will come
planning.
also.
Understood.
Yes,
Okay.
Milk production, economical support,
Okay.
everything.
So milk can be procured from the local Gaushala itself.
Exactly.
Okay. Okay.
If customer is buying some cow or ox anything, they can admit their ox or cow also there
Okay.
only
Okay.
with a small lump sum amount for a maintenance.
Understood. Okay.
So they can utilize for that also.
Okay. And what about vegetables procurement? How can?
So currently we have a plantation of vegetables like tomatoes
Uh-huh.
and ladyfinger, all these things. We have already plantation.
Okay.
So we'll be providing to the customer. I'll
Okay.
show you in my sales office. Please come.
Okay.
So whatever the plantation like vegetables, we have some vegetables and all.
Mm-hmm. So this is one plot, right?
This
So
is the one plot from
here
start
too.
from here to this is the plot
Okay.
from start from here to
Okay.
till my car is standing over there.
Okay.
So till that the one plot.
So this, I guess this would be somewhat around
Somewhere
6,000,
around 13,000 to 14,000 square feet. will
13,000 to 14,000 square
Yes.
feet. Okay. Okay.
come. So it's quite we can tell well quarter acre.
Mm-hmm.
Quarter acre will become.
Okay.
So in this max to max like 150 to 200 plantation will come.
Okay.
Out of 15,000,
Mm-hmm.
so 100 by defaultly the plantation you can have a look.
Mm-hmm.
More than like 5 years, 10 years plantation we have.
Okay.
These all plantation is more than 5 years.
But how can they make money from this areca nut immediately?
Arecanut currently in RMC the farmers is selling for 380 rupees per kg.
Okay.
If it is raw.
Okay.
If it is clean and sell, they'll get might be like more than like 632 rupees.
Okay.
The current
Okay.
price.
Okay.
So each plantation will get bare minimum 4 to 5 kg.
4 to 5 kg.
4
Okay.
to 5 kg.
Okay.
If it is 100 kg, definitely it will be a turnover of lakhs only.
Okay. 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 So right now, are you guys harvesting arecanut from these
No,
plants?
because it's already sold out. It's okay. So because of the registration is not yet done,
Mm-hmm.
so we have left there like there only because
Okay.
we are not the current owner for this property.
Understood. It has been sold out.
It's
Okay.
sold
There's
out.
an agreement
so
already
it will
made.
come to customers only.
Mhm.
So you can have a look at how arecanut will come.
Okay. So in this entire land, arecanut has been planted. If somebody would like to build their house or farmland,
Yes.
can they do so?
Yes. Yes. And there is only two condition we have
Uh-huh.
in a farmland.
Mhm.
Whoever the customer will be buying the farmland,
Mhm.
whether if it is 6,000 square feet or 1 acre or 10,000 square feet,
Mhm.
they can construct the house up to 10%.
Only 10% of the house
Only
can be constructed.
10%,
Okay, as per the
G
rules.
plus 1, yes.
Okay.
As per the government of Karnataka rules,
Uh-huh.
they can construct the house of 10%
And only 10% of the space.
space.
Uh-huh.
That is comes with like permanent structure, not
Understood.
even like if you are making open swimming pool, open jacuzzi, open kitchen,
Mhm.
that doesn't comes under like a permanent structure. It will come under temporary structure itself.
Mhm.
And apart from that, if customer is doing with a concrete, cement, everything, if you are using, and the roof will be there, that is comes under permanent structure.
Mhm.
So if it is 6,000 square feet, definitely 600 square feet they can construct ground floor
Mhm.
and first floor as well.
Understood.
Yes.
Okay. Mhm.
So this is the current arecanut we have.
Mhm.
You can see I have given the 4 kg example, but still we have like more than like 8 to 10 kg in
Okay.
a single tree.
Okay.
And this tree is almost 4 years to 5 year old.
Okay. Okay.
And apart from this, we have banana trees also.
Mhm.
You can have a look that also.
Okay. So you have done mixed multi-layer plantations over here
Yes,
because
yes,
you have got the
because-
plant.
Because only arecanut is only for they can harvest only in year one time.
That's right.
But the banana, all those things, every 3 months they can
They can harvest
they
easily.
can harvest.
Okay.
And
That's
they'll
right.
get some extra amount,
That's right.
extra income as well.
Okay.
So this is the right time to purchase the property here because the competitor will be selling as per the RERA, all these things.
Mhm.
Here, first thing, we don't have any restriction here.
Mhm.
We have arecanut trees, banana trees in this plant, in this plot. If customer wants sandalwood in the middle of this,
Mhm.
they can.
Okay.
They can install that.
Mhm.
There is no restriction. Only though two condition is there. They cannot book the dig the borewell here
Mhm.
because 148 40 totally 148 units. We have 48 acre. We have made the man-made lake. Currently, it's the under construction,
Mhm.
and we have completed with the 12 borewells as well.
Mhm. Okay.
So sufficient water connection, everything will be there.
So you already have 12 borewells
12
already
borewells?
constructed. So water
Yes.
can be procured from those borewells.
Exactly.
So are all the 12 borewells functional or there are only
It's functional.
It's functional.
It's functional.
Okay.
Yes. Apart from that, we have made a man-made lake also behind this plot.
Okay.
That also you can have a look.
So that means that there will be no dearth of water. Everybody can get water,
Yes,
sufficient
that-
water.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
So water supply will be there for each for everybody's plot.
Every plot.
Every plot
If
water supply is
customer
there.
is buying like 10,000 square feet, like 15,000 square feet,
Mhm.
2 connection will come because
Okay.
the land size will be bigger.
Understood. Okay.
And if they are buying of 6,000, 6,500, 7,000 square feet, they'll get 1 drip irrigation.
Okay.
So that is sufficient for the 6,000 square feet.
So one thing that you mentioned that in individual plots, customers cannot, build their own borewells, but can they build their own small pond or water storage facilities over
Yes,
there?
yes, they can. They can.
Okay.
There is no restriction for
And
that.
what about well?
Well, no.
No boring
No,
activity.
no boring activity.
Okay.
Because again, it's a natural. But
Okay.
the thing is, if we calculate of 148 customer,
Mhm.
it will be a very difficult in future.
Mhm.
So water will come. Sometimes on a summer season, the definitely water option will be less.
Okay.
And first thing, if it is arecanut trees is there
Uh-huh.
in this soil, in this land, there is no issue with the water.
Okay.
We have a sufficient water here.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
So currently we have made this for the those will be customer will be coming for this. We have to show this property.
Uh-huh.
So my kids play area will be done,
Uh-huh.
and last we have made the like open gym,
Okay.
and here the yoga station will come.
Okay. Yoga station will come.
Yes.
So many of the places are
So
under
it's
still
a
under
mixture
construction.
of
Okay.
New generation and old generation. It's like a village life.
Okay.
We have made some good amenities.
Okay.
Which is actual good because of most of the customer
Mhm.
will be like we have almost all whichever sold the customer, they are doctor, engineer, and they have a good profiles customer.
That's right.
So they know if they want, and most of the customer is from the north and from the south, Middle East South.
Okay.
all these customer will come.
Uh-huh.
If they definitely want to visit their village, obviously it will take 2 days, 1 day, more than that.
That's right. Yeah.
If customer is staying in Bangalore, it's just a 65 kilometer. It's just hardly 1 hour, 20 minutes drive.
Mm-hmm.
They can come to their second home.
Exactly.
And they can enjoy their weekend.
That's true. But is it possible for the people to stay here for the on a permanent basis, or they
Yes,
can
definitely.
only consider this option as a weekend option, or probably a,
Currently, it's purely depends on the customer. If customer wants to stay here only with the 10% of the construction, they can.
They can.
We don't have any restriction.
Okay, and they can do their own farming activities
Yes,
as per their wish.
definitely.
Like for example, they want to do permaculture or organic farming, they can do that, right?
Definitely, because we have organic farming also in some other plots like tomatoes, and we have lady fingers already,
Okay.
and carrot.
Okay,
All these things we have already. This type of plantation we have done
understood.
already.
Okay,
So you can have a look that
Okay.
also.
Okay.
So just have. Just have a look the man-made lake.
so water for all the plantations and the areca net is coming from the man-made lake
No,
itself.
no. With the drip irrigation only.
Drip irrigation.
Currently. Man-made lake, we have made this structure.
Okay, to ensure that there is sufficient water table over
Yes,
here.
exactly.
Okay,
It's almost all like 12 feet deeper
okay.
and 10,000 square feet. 11,000 square feet. We have made the man-made lake.
11,000 square feet.
11,000
Okay.
square feet man-made
pretty
lake.
deep,
We are planning.
Okay.
So this is just a plan.
Okay.
So after the constructing the farmhouse and the clubhouse, swimming pool, everything,
Okay.
it will be get ready.
So this is the only man-made lake that you have right now, or you have
Currently,
got
this is the man-made lake with
Okay.
11,000 square feet.
11,000 square feet.
With a 12 feet deeper.
Okay. Okay, it's 12 feet deep. It's pretty deep, huh? But do you have any safety provision over here just in case if somebody
it will
falls
get
down?
constructed. So
It will be
fencing will
constructed.
come around this.
Okay.
So next to that only there is two more plots will be coming.
Okay, okay,
So
okay.
that is the one more exit. And the best part of this project is because most of the customer will buying for the sandalwood.
Mhm.
But if they are buying for like directly from the farmer, like any specific land or any private land,
Mhm.
like if it is 6,000, 7,000 or 10,000 square feet,
Mhm.
after a 12 years, it might be chances for the like theft,
Mhm. Sandalwood theft, huh?
sandalwood theft.
Mhm.
Because in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, there is too much of thefting of the sandalwood.
That's right. Yeah, even I
So
have heard of
currently
it.
we have a plantation of sandalwood is approximately like 2 years old.
Mhm.
So after a 10 year, who will be who will give the assurance of this? Who will be giving the security?
Mhm.
The best part of my project is we'll be giving a 24 hours CCTV surveillance
Mhm.
with a 24 hours patrolling security will be there.
Amazing.
For
So how many-
entire 48 acres.
Oh, great. How many CCTV cameras have you deployed
We
over
are
here?
planning for currently for the more than like 15
15.
with the exit and main places.
Okay,
Whichever
okay.
the plantation we have.
Okay.
Please have a look sandalwood forest also.
Okay. And the security guard will be provided by
Patrolling
Sambeta.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So where is the sandalwood forest? Are we going over there?
Completely after this plantation, big plantation,
Mhm.
that is completely sandalwood. This one
Okay.
plots are available.
Okay. So sandalwood plots are different and areca nut plots are different.
Exactly.
So you
If
can, depending upon your
customer
choice, you can choose sandalwood
Yes,
plots
exactly. Like this is also plot.
as well. Okay.
This is also plot.
Uh-huh.
Here there is no plantation.
No
at all.
plantation.
So
So will
if
be
customers required with a sandalwood, either areca nut, either coconut, whatever customer wants, we'll install and give them.
so is there any
of
price
2 years
difference for sandalwood plantation
No,
plot?
no,
huh?
no, no.
Same price.
Same price.
So obviously customer will choose sandalwood, right?
No,
because
because sandalwood it will take sandalwood has to be harvested after 15 years.
okay.
And the thing is, for the harvesting that also they have to take some permission. With
Permission as well. Huh?
Yes. So permission is required. So definitely they have to spend some money also after 15 years
Understood. Okay.
before harvesting.
Mm-hmm. But,
But areca nut
even though it will take 15 years, but after 15 years, sandalwood harvesting, if after getting the permission, is more profitable in comparison to areca nut.
Compared because here every 10 months you'll get the profit
Uh-huh.
from the areca nut, mango,
Mhm.
coconut, everything.
Mhm.
But here you have to wait for 15 years.
That's right.
That is
it depends upon the customer's
Yes,
choice,
it's
right?
Like a
huh?
fixed deposit. This is.
I know. Have you purchased any plot over here? You yourself?
We
For
have completely sold out, sir, of the sandalwood plantation.
okay.
Only 2 units are available
Only 2 units are available.
currently. If
Okay.
customer wants only sandalwood, we'll install and do.
Understood.
So this is a sandalwood tree.
Okay. This is
again a
sandalwood tree, huh? It looks like a bush, huh?
Yes, it's 2 years old.
Okay.
So to help the stand with for 12 years,
Mhm.
we have given the guava tree along with them.
Okay, okay.
So guava tree will help to
Guava
stand
tree,
this
huh? Okay.
tree
Uh-huh.
for the sandalwood.
Okay. So what is
So-
the purpose? Like, is it a symbiotic relationship between the sandalwood and the guava
It's
tree?
not sympathetic,
Symbiotic,
but it has to be support for, because this is very weak actually. This wood is very weak actually.
Okay, okay.
So it will take 8 years to grow.
Understood. Okay. So,
It's like a baby.
okay.
So that is a parent plant.
Okay. So
We
it
have
will help
installed.
it to grow properly, and it
exactly.
will also provide some kind of
Definitely.
support.
So you can see this, the height of this.
Mm-hmm.
This is just 2 years old plantation.
Okay. This is the 2 years old plantation.
Sandalwood
huh?
again.
Yes. Grown properly in 2 years. More than 10-12 feet.
And maximum sandalwood doesn't require any
Mhm.
managing and all.
Mm-hmm. That's right.
By default, with the rainwater everything,
Mm-hmm.
it will get automatically. It will get
Okay.
managed by default.
So it doesn't need much resources. huh?
It's a natural grown.
It grows naturally on its
Yes.
own. And that's right. Okay. And that is teak, right? That's one.
Yeah, this is teak. This is mahogany.
Mahogany. Okay.
So if customer wants mahogany only teak, either sandalwood,
Mm-hmm.
either arecanut or coconut trees
Mhm.
or jackfruit, we give plantation.
Understood.
Some
Okay.
customer is like they want mixture of the plantation.
That's right. And then you have also guava plantation over there.
This
Is
a
that your-
banana, sir.
Is that your plot?
No, this is the till the fencing it's ours.
Okay.
So Goa plots is there,
Guava. That is banana plantations,
banana,
right? Banana.
which we have in that plantation, which I have already shown you.
Okay.
And widest road you'll get
Mm-hmm.
of 15 meter.
That's right. So easily 2 trucks can.
Currently,
simultaneously.
the GCP, everything it's working over there.
Mm-hmm.
They are cleaning everything.
Okay.
You can heard some sound of JCP now.
That's right.
So the JCP has went from here only. You can
Exactly.
See
I can see the.
mark.
I can see the mark. So after the acquisition of the farmland,
Yes.
if somebody would like to build a small house over here
Yes,
just for the weekend,
definitely.
purpose, they can build in the 10% of the land immediately.
10%.
Immediately
Yes,
after the acquisition.
After the registration,
There is no
they-
restriction as
No,
to,
no,
in
no.
terms of the timeline.
No. And
Okay.
one more thing, if they want to utilize for an Airbnb option also,
Okay.
they can utilize.
Oh, that's good. Okay. So they can we have an option to immediately monetize it.
Definitely. The
Okay.
registration will get starts from December.
Okay.
The first lot is already because we have sold almost 52% of the project.
Mm-hmm.
So first registration slot will be on December.
Mm-hmm.
We have a second slot. We have a few more customer has to add in that.
Mm-hmm.
So once we sold 15 to 20 plot more,
Mm-hmm.
so second slot will get over.
Okay.
That is in January.
Okay. And what about the title and the
Documentation. part,
documentation?
everything.
Everything is clear.
This is the complete land is with Swamitva itself. So we have clear title.
Okay.
So far we have sold almost, as I said, one out of 147 units.
Uh-huh.
We have sold 70 plus units.
Okay.
So far it's a proud to say actually we didn't receive a single error from the customer, single complaints from the customer with the documentation.
Okay, that's great. So what is the difference between the Samvita farm plot and the other farm plots which are like sold as a managed farm? Something like Hosachi Guru and a lot of other
Yes.
managed farmlands are there, right?
Yes.
So what is the difference between Samvita,
First
Utopia?
thing is Hosachi Guru, they are only they are doing only as a brand of. They have not provided more than like five plots or seven farms or 5 farms, max to max. But as a brand Swamitva, this is the first branded farmland we have made as a Swamitva,
Mm-hmm.
with the feel like, as I said, with a village feel and the city feel.
Mm-hmm.
So new generation and old generation, it's a mixture of new generation and old generation. We have give the amenities.
That's right.
So this is the USP we have
Mhm.
as a Swamitva, the mixture of amenities, and you can see the soil, everything,
Mm-hmm.
and managed farmland. It's if you are, most of the builders will promise initially they'll give the we'll manage your farm,
Mm-hmm.
we'll manage your plantation, everything. but the time of harvesting everything, customer has to pay. And the second thing, after 2 years or 3 years, if they raise their hand, we'll be not managing. Again, customer has to suffer, customer has to hire someone, and there'll be lots of trust issue. Because after 5 years, definitely, it might be, if they raise the hand. So currently the status of this sandalwood is 2 and 3 years. So after 5 years, it will be get grown. So 8 years. It's ready to harvest actually. 8 years, again it will be a problem for the customer.
That's
so
right.
we are trusting the build. We are the trusted platform. Customer can buy here. Initially, because of not for the sale, we'll say we are not going to manage, but we'll definitely help with the farmers itself.
So basically, you are not committing that you will be managing these
Exactly.
farms, but you will definitely help with the management
Exactly.
by helping to hire, local farmers
villagers.
who can help you, and you have to pay them in return.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly.
And if you want to manage completely yourself, the customers have complete freedom to manage their farm on their own.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Unlike in Hosachiguru, because Hosachiguru the terms and conditions are very different.
And they have a different terms and condition. Example, if you are selecting only Aracanite trees plantation or plot, if it is 60 plantation, only 60 plantation has to be there.
That's right.
You cannot install some other plantation,
Some other plantations.
as per your requirement.
So here
Exactly.
there is no such
There is no
restriction.
restriction.
We can even plant mango trees, guava
Exactly.
trees, or any kind of trees which we like.
Whichever.
Whichever. Okay, that's great. So this is the kind of freedom actually will people require.
Yes, because you are paying a 60 lakh, 70 lakh rupees for 6,000 or 7,000 square feet. So again, if we given any restriction, you will not be the owner. We
That's
will be
true.
the owner.
That's true. Exactly.
But here we are giving the feeling, this is your farm, this is your plot, but with this 24 hours surveillance of CCTV
That's right.
surveillance, security, with the greatest amenities.
So the restrictions which are in place are only as per the government norms and policies.
Exactly.
No other restrictions,
No,
right? Okay.
We have not made any personal restrictions and all.
From your
This is-
side, there is no
no,
restriction.
no.
So whatever because of the farmland, there is certain policies which has been made by the Karnataka government.
Exactly.
So we have to follow those
Yes.
norms and
And the
policies.
sandalwood, if you're if you want to like sandalwood tree, if you want to don't want to grow, but again you have to take the permission.
Permission. That's fine. That's fine. Because
Permission.
we have to abide by the government rules and regulations.
Exactly.
That's right. Okay.
That is the main achievement.
Understood. I think it's pretty interesting. Yeah, I really like it.
So the price point, if we say, when we have launched this project in May 2025, 10th May 2025, we have launched the phase 1. And after 27 days, we have sold almost all 17% of the project.
17% of the
So we
project
have
has already been
recently
sold.
launched the phase 2 here.
Uh-huh.
So phase 1 is different part
Okay.
from the 800 meters.
So we are standing in the phase 1 right
Phase
now.
two,
Phase 2.
phase
We are
two.
standing in the
This
phase
is
2.
phase two.
So your office is there in the phase 2.
Yes,
You don't have
exactly.
office in phase 1.
No.
Okay. So the plots are available in both the phases, phase 1 and phase 2, or only
Yes,
in
yes. Currently we have all the plot size like 6,000, 7,000.
in both the
8,000,
phases?
Both the phases.
Okay.
But bigger dimension plots will be available in phase 2. Like you can see the yellow mark here. So like 10, 11, 5, 6, 9, all this is the bigger dimension. And whatever the blue color will be there, this is 6,000 to 10,000. This is 11,000 to 15,000, 20,000 will come here.
Okay.
15,000.
Okay.
And this is dark blue. Because of this sunshade, the color has been gone.
Okay.
So 20,000 square feet and above. It's like that orange color one.
Understood,
That is
okay,
comes with up to 1 acre.
Okay. So 20,000 would be somewhere approximately half acre, and more
22.
than 22 is approximately
Half
half
acre,
acre,
yes.
and more than 44,000 is 1 acre.
1 acre.
Okay.
So 11,000 will come quarter acre.
Okay. Understood. And what is the current price? What
Current
about the
price we are quoting for when we have launched the project, it's 999,
Mhm.
999. Slightly we have increased our price because of the sale and the property appreciation, everything. 1,099 rupees per square feet.
1,099?
Yes.
But in the hoardings and during the inquiry, they were quoting something around 800 per square feet.
899.
899.
That is the quoting price because of some plots we have a 6,000 square feet. So definitely we'll work out the price, but there is some units are like corner units, east facing, north facing. and all. So unit PLC will be there, preferred location charges.
Okay.
So that's include 1,099 rupees will come.
Understood.
So
okay.
definitely if customer is interested, definitely if they are visiting our farm, so on table we'll discuss the price. We'll give you the best price with the market trend.
Okay. And what about the finance facilities?
No, for first thing, the green land, none of the bank will appreciate for the loan actually, because this is a completely green belt. So customer has a flexible payment option for 3 months or 4 months we have.
Okay.
So initial for the booking amount will before the registration, we'll give 1 lakh rupees if customer is paying. We'll give the legal set of documentation. So after that, there will be customer will be get 15 days time to check with the legal team.
Okay.
So
Okay.
after that, customer has to pay 30% initially.
Okay.
So second option will be the payment option will be next month. Example, if customer, today is 1st November, 2nd November. So if customer is making a payment of 1 lakh rupees today, so 17th November, before 17th November, customer has to pay 30%.
Okay.
So next December 17, customer has to pay 20%.
Okay.
So again January, again February.
So there is no finance facility from Samvita as well, because there should be some kind of finance
Actually,
facilities.
none
Because
of the green land, because green land doesn't come with a RERA and all.
Okay.
If it is RERA, then that project will be, the price will be high, and that is not doesn't come with the green land. That is a brown belt actually.
Brown belt. Okay.
Yes, this is a green belt actually.
Green belt,
This is
okay.
purely for the farming only.
So is there any particular reason the green belt is not financed by banks?
Most of the like they cannot.
Or NBFCs.
Example, in a future, bank has given the loan offer 60 lakh rupees to farmer to purchase a land for 6,000 square feet. If farmers got loss because of the rain, because of this they have grown this any seeds, anything. If they got the loss, so definitely they cannot force to the farmer.
No, that I understand about the farmers, but right now you are a very good company where you are not only into the farmland, you are also into the
But as per
you are
the
also into the
government of Karnataka
into
rules-
residential properties as well, right?
Correct.
And you are also RERA registered.
Yes.
So when
But
a company
this
like
property is not with the RERA.
this property is not with RERA, I understand that. But when you are when a company like you is managing this kind of
Yes.
farm, then there is a trust involved, right?
Correct.
There is a clear title, clear
Correct.
deed, everything. You have done all the due diligence.
Correct.
And then you should also involve some kind of financial institutions, because that will help you to increase your sales as well. And also the bank knows that a trusted entity is also involved, because it's a big organization. As you told that you have sold more than 74 plus
74
projects,
plus projects.
across Karnataka region. So that shows that you have done a pretty good phenomenal job in the last many years.
Yes.
I don't know how many years.
40 years.
40 years.
Yes.
So that shows that there is a trust involved.
That correct.
So definitely financial institutions like SDFC, Access or ICICI can
Is
get
there
involved.
Actually, some of the banks like NBFC will approach for the green land also, but the thing is the rate of interest will be very high, more
So
than
if
like
not
24%, 25%.
25% is too high, but what I believe, right? This is my personal take. For home loan, they are providing like 80% of the loan, 80% of the amount of the loan. Here, instead of 80%, at least they can sanction 50%, not 80%. At least if they can sanction 50%, that also can be helpful to a lot of people.
Yes, but the bank is some NBFCs are actually approaching for the loan, but the thing is they're up to 60% they can stretch. But the thing is again the rate of interest.
Rate of 24%, that is too high.
That
Nobody
is
will
too
take
high.
that. Huh?
So most of the customer don't want to go with the loan, all these things.
I know. Huh?
Because they have a sufficient amount for the lump sum amount, so because of they'll get some additionally. Either they can plan for the personal loan and they can utilize for this purpose.
That's right. Yeah. Okay. No worries. So are you done giving all the information?
Yes,
or there
yes,
is,
done.
okay. You're done. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. I'll stop the video now.